Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing one product and clarifying your angle, utility, value, or comparison. Once chosen, set up a clean background and stable framing. Make sure to use natural light or a soft LED to highlight details. Record a 5/10 hook first, show the product in action. Then capture 3 demo shots: unboxing, close-up of features, and real use. Speak clearly into the mic. Explain why each feature matters to viewers and what problem it solves. You now focus on detailed capture and editing. Record B-roll of textures, ports, and actions. Shoot short, usable clips so editing is fast. Once done, write a tight voiceover outline that highlights benefit, specs, and verdict. Then record 30-60 segments. In the editor, assemble 9-12 clips with jump cuts, add captions for mobiles, and drop background music around -6 decibels so voice remains clear. Make sure to include a 3/5 end card with C. You finish by optimizing caption and scheduling. Start with a one-line hook, list 3 quick benefits, include 2 relevant hashtags, a clear CTA, and link in bio if needed. Post during your audience peak, pin a comment with price or promo code. Then actively reply to the first 30-60 comments to boost engagement. If reach is low, troubleshoot by republishing as a reel, testing new thumbnails, or swapping hashtags. Make sure to monitor metrics and iterate on format and CTAs for the next review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.